Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Fractional Indices worksheet. So this video presents this particular worksheet on fractional indices, and you have 10 examples to practice on. If you're not sure how to proceed, we've had a lesson on this very topic. If you go to the last slide, there is a link there, and if you click on that link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. I'll leave this slide on for about a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. After I go to the next slide, that will give us the answers. So the answers are definitely on the next slide, and you can see how you went. Remember, you can pause this slide for as long as you want. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. So these are the answers, and you can check how you went. I'll leave this slide on for about a minute or so before I move on to the last slide. I'll move on to the last slide now, and here it is.